working to fix that. Water bottles, some matches. I can use some matches. There we go. Here we have the power charger. Let's go back in here. There's no drawers that I missed. Oh, that's good. I looked in here, and there was nothing else but gear and business stuff. Stack pipe, well insulated, and nothing in the tranny hole. But a good look at the ribs. And it has a cement bottom, so somebody has filled cement if it was done at the factory or at the boatyard, which adds to stability, but also makes it easier to clean. And that's another thing. Okay, here we are, next drawer. Empty, this one. Nice big drawer. There's the cleaning supplies. And there is a jazz rusted bottom on it, but that looks like a jazz something. Maybe some kind of charger, or maybe an amplifier. Or it's a inverter I mean, to go from battery to plug in the wall. It seems to be attached to something, so. Heart interface, silent action, AC power. So yeah, that is an inverter. We're not sure the condition of that, but we will check it out carefully before plugging it in. What else do we have? We have the fridge. There's nothing in the fridge. I'm not sure if this is, yeah, it is a cabinet, so it doesn't look like there is much in it. Zip ties, nothing in the bottom. Paper. Wiring and steering drivetrain. Drive chain. Not easy to do with one hand, so we'll do that when I leave. Close the windows. Another step here. Nothing in there. There is the gear oil. That looks like the gear oil. Previous owner had mentioned to me. Thinking if there's any more cubby holes. We got some maps up here. Laminated ones I might want to grab. At the roof we'll get glue. Maybe wallpaper the roof perhaps. The hatch was off here, so that's the hatch there I guess. And everything looks to be in order on this. This will clean up pretty good. This looks like brass as well. Got our lights for navigation on the sides of the boat. Into the front berth. We have another inverter it looks like, or it's a computer piece. So, I'm not sure what that is. Fittings. Excellent fittings. Empty drawer. Empty cabinet. And we have the portholes. We'll get rid of that. And there has been some wasps in here, so I tried to get rid of those, and I will close the windows for that purpose alone. This one was open when I got here, so when I first checked it out with the surveyor from Western Maritime Services. So think anybody's going to fit through that, but we should lock it anyways. So I am a security guard, it's habit. There we have a power box in the shower. I'm not sure this is going to, might work, but it seems a bit crusty there. The front we have obviously some cotton work to do. And copper tubing here. But the whole hull will have to be caulked probably. I think that we're going to probably do that. Deciding whether or not to seal it, but mark all the spots that will have to be recaulked if I just give it a coat of white paint before winter time and seal up the drafts, because it is going to be quite drafty. And that's it for this room. There is not much else. It has an automatic pump for here, so that's quite a nice feature, I guess. Now we'll look at these drawers. Overcharged, still good. That extinguisher still has power in it. An older radio, another micro furnace or two. Come winter, that might come in handy. But again, those micro furnaces, you really have to monitor them. They can be a hazard, so. And here we have nothing. We have some white paint in here, not much. There's the windshield wipers for the front windows. Oh, we do have some flippers. So there are flippers here. I don't go under the water, but there's some goggles there too. Not a diver myself, but definitely a snorkel it looks like, and some flippers and goggles, or a face mask. And just get rid of the rest of this hornet's nest here. Oh, and there we go. Look at that. And climb up here. Up here, and we have another hornet's nest. But they are empty, so that's a nice sign. I just realized that the sunlight is open, and has been open since I've discovered this boat. So we will close that. And lucky I have more than 15-minute videos on here. We only have 1 minute and 39 seconds left, folks. So this is the Comoro. And we have one more spot in here. Anchor gear. Don't have much light in there, but that is the front end of the engine room. We have some cleaner, gear lube, random tool stuff. But there's the engine room. I can't really see it, but I will get a trouble light. You can see the cracks in the hull though, or at least the seam gaps, which will be helpful for finding out where to concentrate first. Let's put this back in. And we have 49 seconds left, so let's make sure we've gotten pretty much every cubby hole here. There we go. I can do that with one hand. So there is really not much salvageable that way as far as personal items go, which is always nice because people should take that with them, I guess. And we have some life jackets, which are pretty much a priority. Probably get better life jackets, but they're good to have anyways. Nothing in there.